What if your TV didn't have to stay stuck on the wall? What if you could roll it anywhere, the kitchen, the bathroom, even on the patio? Well, this thing does exactly that. Actually, it's even better. This is a 32-inch touchscreen from Kefeya, basically a giant tablet on wheels with a massive built-in battery. And it's way cooler than I ever expected it to be. You can watch shows, play games, blast music, all on a screen that tilts and pivots and rotates. And most importantly, rolls wherever you want it. I didn't think a rolling screen would actually be useful. I thought it was just a goofy gimmick. But after living with it, it's growing on me. This isn't just another gimmick. It has a lot of different uses around the house, and for apartments, condos, rentals, or anyone who doesn't want to wall-mount a TV in every room, this could replace them all. So today I'll show you why I think this screen doesn't need to exist, but I kind of love it anyway. Now, this isn't just a screen on wheels either, it's packed. It's got an HDMI port, so you could hook it up to your PC, your console, even a DVD player if you're still rocking one. It also runs Android with full Play Store access, so Plex, Twitch, YouTube, IPTV, you name it, they all run too. I'm not gonna lie though, my favorite use by far with this screen is using it in the tub. I used to watch stuff on my iPad, but it's not the same. It doesn't angle right, and I'm worried about it falling in. With this, I just roll it up, set the angle, put on my show or stream, and I'm laughing. It's the best. It has a Bluetooth remote too, so you don't have to use the touch screen to control it. It also has dual 8-watt built-in speakers, so you can hear it just fine wherever you are, but it also has Bluetooth if you want to watch something in bed without bothering your partner. You can just pair up some headphones and you're in your own little world. Nice. Battery lasts for 8 hours, but to be honest, that's at a pretty low brightness. If you want to watch a movie or something and have it cranked up a bit, you might not get the full 8 hours, but you can always plug it in too. The battery is great though for things like bringing it on the patio or in the yard, or maybe for watching some sports for a few hours or something while you're grilling and chilling. Same with cooking or doing yoga. This is one of those products that just makes doing those things a little bit easier. I would have never considered getting something like this before, but now that I have it, I get it. This is one of those products people will either have zero use for or they will have every use for, you know? My wife uses it all the time in the bath and in the kitchen. My kids use it all the time for doing Draw So Cutes on YouTube and watching stuff in their rooms. This is great too because when they ask if they can have a TV in their room, we can say no, but they can use this on special occasions. It's so easy to roll in and out. We also use it for gaming or movies where we've built a fort and wheeled this in to enjoy that space. Oh yeah, the price. It's around $800, so it's not cheap. Similar price to an iPad or decent sized TV. And what do you get for that money? You get a 1080p 60Hz screen, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabyte hard drive. At first, I was a bit disappointed that it was only 1080p resolution, but I actually think that's enough. Same with the 60Hz. The thing I finally realized with tech is, sure, better resolution and faster displays are nice, but that comes at a cost. Driving more pixels requires more power, right? So if they start maxing this thing out for specs, the battery life is gonna take a hit. It's a trade-off. I think for where this thing shines, like for rolling it into your kid's room for a sleepover or using it in the bathroom or kitchen, the specs on this thing are fine, even in 2025 going to 2026. Plus you can connect a keyboard and mouse to it and you can work on it. You can hook it up to a webcam, so this could be your main communication tool for your work or for family. This could be a really useful device for a lot of people. It's like a Swiss Army knife, you know? You can work, you can play, you can communicate with it. I just thought it was a fun product and I wanted to talk about it. On this channel, I love finding cool products that make life better or more interesting. This is definitely a cool product that can make life more fun and more interesting. Should everybody buy it? No, it's not like a tablet you can just put on the shelf when you're done. When you're not using this, it takes up a decent amount of space, and that can be annoying if you don't have anywhere to put it. There aren't really any negatives to this product besides the space it takes up though. Like I said earlier, the resolution could be higher, but then the battery would be worse. It could have better speakers or speakers on the front, but then it wouldn't look as good. I think it looks good. It feels very premium. The wheels roll well, though they are a little small. So getting it over big transitions or outside can be a bit tricky for smaller people because it is quite heavy with the battery in the stand. But if you think you'd like a product like this in your life, I think it's good enough to try it out. It does come with a 30-day return period, and I think it's important that products, especially tech like this, stand behind their product. I have been very happy dealing with the support at Kefeya. Kefeya gave me good vibes when dealing with them, so I'm happy to give them a positive review on this product. Good job, Kefeya. This is a clever product, while niche is seriously impressive. Keep it up. I don't think your products are for everyone, but for the people who do end up buying this, I think that they will love it and it will last a very long time. I'm very impressed with the build quality and look forward to using this thing for years to come. Links are below if you want to check it out, but I want to know, could you make use of this screen like this? And if so, drop a comment on how you would use it. I feel like there's ways to use it I haven't even discovered yet, so I look forward to hearing what you have to say. That's all for today. If you love discovering cool products that make life better or more interesting, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. In case you missed my last video, check that out here. Otherwise, here's what YouTube thinks you'd like to watch next. See you next time on Upgrade-itis.